Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be finally jumping into my Rooted in Hope journal. I've had this for a while and just have not been able to get to opening it up and using it. So I'm super excited. This is a collection from Cheaply Chic, and it is something that she puts out every month. And last month she didn't put one out, but this month so this one is the June collection, and then she does have a July collection coming out probably next week. So if you're watching this video and you like the idea of having a junk journaling collection that you can work with, basically what it is the journals are what we call naked journals, and because it's just the paper, and then she just packs the kits with a bunch of different things and things that we can use all kind of within the same theme. And I really enjoy these collections every month. They've been such a joy to me. If you're just now seeing this channel, I actually did a top 10 of 5. So I've been getting her junk journals for 2 years, and her collections for 2 years now, and I did like what was my top 10 of 5 different categories. So I will make sure I leave that link down below to those if you want to check those out. In this video, I'm basically going to go over just kind of organizing, and I like to get my stuff kind of organized and put into the different organizational bins that I use. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this little guy here. So this is my little collection box that I use for all the bits and pieces, and this is from the Dollar Tree. And then I also have this container that I have, and this is from Daiso Japan. I have another container too, but it's full of stuff, so I'm not going to be able to use it for this one, but I think I'm okay. So let's go ahead and jump in. I think, I can't remember if there was stuff I wanted to use. So I have this little container here. It's a longer container that can hold 12 by 12 paper, and I have a bunch of stuff in here. And usually when I put stuff in here, it's because I want to potentially use it in my journal collections, but I think this time around it's just been junk journal. It's just been junk that I've stuck in there. My area is completely disorganized and not good, so I think I'm gonna have to spend the 4th of July weekend working on getting my spend my 4th of July weekend getting my components, all my crafting stuff back to where I need it to be. So let me just look at the stuff that I have. No, this all goes in a different. Okay, let's see. So I don't think I want to use any of this stuff. I'm not sure. I just think I just stuck that in there. So I will put this away. That doesn't really go with that. Not sure why that's in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and kind of figure out what I want to do. I don't typically go through the collections just because, first of all, she sold out of them. So this particular one is sold out. She sells out really fast. Last time, I think it took less than 15 minutes for her to sell out of them. So if you are interested in purchasing them, I do recommend that you go to her channel, subscribe to her, and make sure that you have your notification bells on, because she usually the second she loads the video is also the minute that the collection is actually on sale in her Etsy shop. So you'll want to go favorite her Etsy shop and all that good stuff. So I have actually not even watched the video for these, for this particular one, and I don't have any idea what's in this collection. And these are the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. Look how cute these little glossing bags are. Oh my God, Lynette, where did you find these? They're like little tiny glossing bags. that is adorable. Oh my God, I have to use those. So yeah, so anyway, yeah, so I basically just want to kind of organize things. That's really what I do in this collection. I actually have this collection, I think she told me what it was, and now I don't remember, and I think I do have it. I think it's one of the ones I recently bought at oh yes, now I see the trucks. I know what collection it is. Oh, look at the mason jars. I think I have a smaller mason jar punch. I should use that in this collection. So I'm just putting the stuff kind of in this little component, or this little pocket. The reason I put it in the middle is because it does have like a little hump. So it kind of closes better when it's sticking out just a little bit. That probably won't work for me. I'm probably going to put that somewhere else. Okay, so there's the hearts. She always puts hearts in there. I'm going to put those in there. I love these bright yellow label stickers. Those are awesome. Put those in there. There's sometimes that I just, oh, look at these little sticks. It's kind of a gardening theme. So there's some things that are in the collection that I'm like, okay, this definitely belongs in this collection, and I have to use it in this collection or this journal. And then there's other times that I'm like, oh, okay, I like this. It doesn't necessarily have to go in this collection, but there are definitely some pieces that have to go in here, and these little yellow stickers are definitely one of them. And I love this little pick that she added. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's super cute. But I could just put it on the front. See, this is why I love her collection, because it like instantly starts getting me thinking about how I can use the components in it and how I can use the different things that she includes. Little envelope, card, okay, a couple little baggies. I love, this is something I always put in the front of my journal. So I'll just put that in there. Flashcard. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, she's adorable. Okay, so I put this stuff, I'm going to put that in the bigger box that I have. Okay, so I've got like a gardening theme. I want to say that in the green envelope, okay, or sale sign. Oh, this is cute. The label. Oh, that reminds me. I have some little ticket things that I wanted to use in this collection. I've got to pull those out. I do not actually know where they are at this particular second, but I will pull them out. Okay, so I'm going to put all of these things, and then she has the wallpaper. Look, I got a really cool piece. Oh, I love that. Okay. So I put all of this here along with this stuff. Gotta feel like I'm a little bit organized. And then I'm gonna actually keep this too. I don't always use that, but I want to keep that. And then I'm gonna keep all the bags. Okay, so I want to put this on the side of it, and I'm going to actually show you how I do this because I did get a comment, and I wanted to show you how I did it. So I basically take the little string that's on the outside of the journal, and I just weed it through, and then I just tie it in a knot, and I kind of off center the knot so that when it wraps around, the bow is more in the front. I'm going to just tie it in a knot, and then that way when I have it, I can use it. I can just tie it in the knot, and then I can untie it, and then I won't lose it on my desk. It'll just be attached. I also wanted to potentially use some of these. These are the Happy Planner gardening stickers. I found these at Walmart a while back, and I'm going to stick these in here because I think I'm going to kind of try to incorporate some of these stickers that are in here. So I'm going to put these in my little box as well. Actually, maybe I should put them at the bottom. I'm going to put them at the bottom so everything else doesn't get wrinkled. And then I have, like I said, I have those tickets I want to find, and then I think I'm actually going to pull out some other pages and stuff. So I've got a bunch of this stuff too. Oh yes, that's right. I was gonna pull one of these out, potentially use that in there. These are all from the Dollar Tree. I've just been buying so much stuff that I have way too much stuff like to put away and organize. Okay, so I think I'm going to just put this pocket. I'm going to do kind of my setup of my video. I don't know where the oh, there it is. Okay. I was like, oh my gosh, I thought I lost the little what is this called? Bookmark thing. That's not really a functional bookmark. Okay, so the first thing I typically do is I tie this little thing around the journal, and then I take the bookmark and I put it, what I like to do is not put it right in the center, but I typically go back a couple of pages and then put it there, and I'm gonna tape it down. I'm gonna actually use this washi tape from the Dollar Tree. And it has like florals and leaves and different things on there, so I'm just gonna use this to kind of tape down my, hold on, I gotta trim it off. That one piece was, okay. So do I want the pink on the top or the green on the top? I think I want the green. I want the pink on the top and the green on the bottom. No rhyme or reason for that. Just okay. So I kind of line it up, and then I'm just gonna tape it down. Let's make the tape go the right way. So I wanted to use this tape because I like that it's like going in the right direction. Why can I not do this? I'm struggling with this. There we go. Ow, that's way harder than it needed to be. Okay. And then wouldn't these look like pretty on top of there? Like, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so that is that. And then I'm going to... Lost my glue. Okay, there we go. I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac and I'm going to glue this down. The stickiness on these are not the best. And since I take that pocket in and out, I like to have it, I actually think maybe I'll do a side pocket. That's not going to work. Okay. You don't need a lot. You just need a little something because it's got to stick to it. And now I'm going to cover up that, and that's going to bug me. So I'm going to put this a little higher than I typically would. Just because I like to see the sewing. I typically put it down in the corner, but since there's sewing there, I want to keep that sewing. I like that, the look. Okay, and then the next thing that I do is I take the little stickers I mean the little heart punches. And I'm going to glue them to the bottom of my strings. Probably could have used a little bit more glue on there, but that's all right. Oh, that's too much glue. It's volcanoing out of the top. Okay. All right. I think that's really all I'm going to do for this video. I just wanted to sort of get started just so I feel like I've done something. And I feel super motivated because everything I looked at was super cute. I love those little glossy bags. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call this done for now. But as usual, you will see other videos of me working in this. Every Friday, I post a junk journal video, and I will continue in this journal until it's done. And then I should probably get the new one, I would say probably mid-July. It's kind of when I'm expecting it because I don't think she's going to put it on sale until next week. So again, check out our channel if you're not already subscribed to her. I definitely recommend doing so. And I will see you again next time.